Hello, my friends. Today, I just came back from the Apple Store. Okay, my problems. I just came back from the Apple Store, and my dad bought a new drone. That's right, the Parrot Bebop 2 FPV. Let's unbox it. I'm kidding. No. Okay, we have to open this with precision. Okay. Can, um. Uh. Um. Um. Yeah, boy, one sticker down. Okay, I think second sticker is like actually stuck in, so I'm just gonna. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. There we go. Oh snap. Okay, so let's open. Okay, my mic has serious problems. Okay. Okay, so before I open it, okay, wait, let me make the lighting better. Okay, kind of okay, but so first of all, it includes an kind of Oculus Rift, but like VR set and a long range controller. So let's open it up. Um, uh, um, small. Yeah. Okay, now let's open it. Oh, first, second, third, fourth. Oh my glob. There are different things. Okay, so let's take out this one. So this is the drone. This is the drone here in this box. Looks amazing. And yeah, this is the VR set and the okay. Let me put anything else in the box. Nope. What's up, dudes? I know, Mike is a mess. Oh, and I have a new bed. So yeah, this is the VR set. VR set. Come on, Mike. You can do it. You can do it, Mike. Okay, that's good enough. So this is the VR set, and this is the drone. So what should we open first? Eeny, meeny, buttle, law. Okay, we're gonna open this first. Whew. Done. 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 One more to go. Oh no. Come on. And we done it. Ah, yes. Let's open this. Oh yes. And this is also my first VR set. Oh, okay. It's supposed to be open like this. Oh. Da 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 da. I guess you can already see the oh my glob. The VR set. This is my first VR set. Oh, hello there. Okay, I definitely have to adjust this so it fits my head, but oh my glob. This looks amazing. Oh, this is the controller so I can drive it further or use it farther away. Dude, what? It has like weird stuff back here, like there's a turny thing and another turny thing. Oh, and there's a take off. And I just peeled off something. Let's feel the satisfaction. That wasn't satisfying. Sorry for the cut. So, oh, somehow turned it on. Oh, cool. It's blinking. Please turn off. How do I turn it off? Okay, it's off. And that's the controller. There's one more thing here. Ooh. Oh. Is this for the phone? Oh my glob, this is for the phone. And this is the instructions. Wait, let me put it back in real quick. Dude, we can put our phone in here. It's amazing. We don't need them. Okay, so, oh. One extra tiny box in here. What's this? Oh, this is the recharging cable. Awesome. Okay. First part done. Let's take this out carefully so I don't break it. This is the phone stand. Does it fit? I think it's too. Wait, let me fit it. I think it fits my phone, yeah. Okay, let's close this. Time for the drone. Ow. Okay, and this is my first real drone, so this is amazing. Okay, so before we do anything, I wanna. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, I just ripped it. Wait, where's the... Oh. What the fish? Okay. This is so confusing. Yeah, boy. Okay. Come on. Plastic thing won't come off. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Oh, there's one more flap. Oh snap. Did I get it? Oh, got it. Oh, I think I put my phone in here. Wait. Open here. Open there and open here. And this is where I put my phone, I guess. Yeah. Awesome. Let's put this back. Oh, more plastic. I'll do that later. Okay. Okay, so let's put this all... Wait, I gotta... So here's the drone. I'm gonna put this all over here. And the mini box. Now, time for the drone. Okay. One. Yep, first part done. Oh no, technical problems. Even though... done it. Did it. Okay. Let's lift the right part. The right part. Okay, lighting. You can be a bit better by being nice. That's okay. Okay. Do I need the scissors for this? Okay, go in deep. That's what she said. And yeah, boy. Okay. Time for the drone. Oh, come on. What's this? Okay, it's covered up. What is this? Stuff I can't do with the drone. I'll actually keep that so I don't forget. Whoa! Oh, I have to put the propellers on myself. What is this? Okay. Let's start off with the box, whatever. What's in here? I think some spare parts. Yeah, it's the recharging cable. Yeah, and there's one more thing here with the fish. There's this stubby thing. And there's one more thing down here. They're all like power adapters for different countries. So I'll keep that in there first. And wait, come on. Work with me here. And okay, that's the first box in the box, I guess. Oh, and this is the power adapter. I get it now. Okay. So let's unplastic that. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, now the sides. Oh yeah, boy. Now it's the drone. So I guess this is the battery that I have to recharge. And those are the propellers in there. Okay, so wait. Okay, let's. What the fish? What's this? Oh no. Better put that back on. Ah! Drones are so confusing. Okay. I need space to put the drone over here. And wait, I'm gonna unwrap the battery first. Oh yeah. Let's put on the battery and see what happens. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Oh, and oh, I get it. So this is to cover up the camera if you're not using it. That's cool. And here's the camera. Oh, okay. So I better cover it up first so nothing happens to it. Okay, wait. Ah, got it. Okay. Nice. And is this to turn it on? Oh. I turned something on. Ow. Oh, snap. Okay. Turn it off. I hear engines working in there. The engine stopped moving. Can I turn this off? It's back on. Is it off? Okay. What are this? Oh, okay. I get it. So the rubber parts are for, because wait. Let me get the propellers out because there's still propellers in here. Okay. Oh, there are spare propellers. So I just have to peel this off so I can put it on here. So if I peel this off, I can put this on, right? Okay, I'll peel this off real quick. And let's see, I just put it on like this, I guess. Put it in. And yeah, I think that's how it works. So I better just be careful with this and put the sticker back on so I don't forget. And put the rubber back on. So these are the propellers and here's the starter guide. I think I might need this. I'm not like other YouTubers and throw it away. Okay, let's take the propellers out. And I am gonna build it for the video and I'm gonna test it in the next video. Okay. Just if you would accept this. Okay, nice. Oh, white propellers. Okay. I totally didn't scream like a girl. Nice. Yeah, okay. 2 more. I don't get this. I'm just gonna take this out. Come out, come out. Oh, hallelujah. And this is the box, I guess. They're already stacking up in there. So, I guess let's actually try to build it first. Yeah. Oh, wait. I'm recording with my phone, but your phone also has an app for this. So let's unrubberize all these. Wow. Here, listen to this. Awesomeness. So I'm gonna put the rubber parts off. I better save these. And put on the propellers. So, oh. So I guess like I might have screwed. Wait, I didn't screw up. I totally didn't screw up. So I have to put the black ones. Okay, I totally get it. No, I don't.
3 weeks later.
So let's put these propellers away. Yeah, just put them over there. These stickers, I don't know where to put them. I'll just put them somewhere. These plastic stuff, gonna put them in the box. Wow, my room's so messy right now. Okay, let's test it out. I'm so confused. I better put the mic away just for... This is the dumbest idea I could think of. Fly a drone in my room. I mean, what? Okay. It's green. Okay. I better, What just happened? Ah, good thing I held on to that. It would have crashed everywhere. Where did all the propellers go? Here's one. Here's the second one. Here's the third one. Literally everything just flew away. Okay. That was awesome. Put that off. Put that off. I'm scared of you. I'm scared of you. Is that off? That is off. Oh. Better. Oh, that was scary but amazing. So first, I'm gonna try to wait. What's this? Okay, I'm gonna try. Oh, there's still millions of. There's plastic stuff on this. How do I get it off? Yep, got it. That was so loud, it broke my ears. Okay, so how do I do this? I don't see anything. Hello? Oh, okay. I better just get all my pieces back. Okay, I can't find all the pieces right now, but I think I'm gonna leave the episode here. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more, hit that like button and check my other videos and comment in the description. Oh, found it. Wait. Oh, I am extremely scared of this drone right now. Oh, when it goes to this is cool. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you in the next video.